how's it going? Welcome back to Bmw on a Budget. And as I was saying in the last video, this channel is going to be about installations, restorations, and other things. So this video is not going to be any different. I have some parts to install. I actually have two parts to install. I have a ABS speed sensor and I have a thermostat. And if you remember in the last video, I was talking about the check engine light I have and traction control and brake light, which are as a which are as come on which are as a which are as a result of these things that I just ordered. I'm gonna show you the stuff now. As you can see here, this right here is the thermostat and these are the ABS brake sensors. It's kind of cold, the sun is still out and it's kind of cold. I might not be able to install both today, but I'm gonna start with the thermostat. I'm gonna have to take out the fan, take out this intake right here, take out the fan so I can access the thermostat, which is right here. It's cold, so I'm wearing gloves just so I don't freeze. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the fan. I'm gonna drop the camera now and I'm gonna show you the stuff I have. Right here we have the thermostat. I'm gonna take out the one inside the car and install this one, and then we have the ABS sensors, ABS speed sensors. Apparently that's what they are called. So after putting this, hopefully the lights I have on my dash will go away, and if they don't, I will have to clear them. But either way, we're gonna try and see what happens. Alright guys, as you saw earlier, I took out this part and apparently the last of my flathead just fell in there while I was trying to take this off. I'm gonna have to find a well. I might not just have to take it off, I might just move it to the side because this is what I need to access. It's right here. So after I take out this fan, I should have enough space to do this job. Alright guys, here we go. The new thermostat is in, and now I just need to put everything back together and see what happens. Alright guys, the new thermostat is officially in. Just gotta just gotta plug it back in, start the car. The check engine light might not go away soon, but after a while if it doesn't go away, so we'll get it scanned and see what next we have to replace. But for now I think it's the thermostat, so we'll see. Now we'll see if I can install the ABS sensors. Alright guys, so I've installed the thermostat. As you can see, everything is back in there now. Well, not everything, I haven't put back the fan. I'm gonna start the car now and inspect for any water leaks, and if there's no water leaks, then I'm gonna put back the fan and yeah, we're good. Alright guys, so there isn't any water leakage as expected to the best of my ability. There's not any water leakage right now, so we're gonna put back the fan and I'm gonna see if I can put the ABS sensors in now. So yeah. Alright guys, so like I said, we're gonna be replacing the ABS sensor. It was this side that I broke the axle, so I believe the ABS sensor on this side is the one that's spoiled. So I'm gonna take off this wheel and put in the ABS sensor. Alright guys, if you can see that's the ABS sensor. I'm gonna have to follow the wire down underneath the car and trace it. There's a box right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a box right there. When I open it, I'll take out the whole ABS sensor and then install a new one. Okay, so the new speed sensor slash ABS sensor is in there. Okay, I think I've done what I can. I have a few wounds, my hands are cold. So I think that's it for this, and I'm gonna put back the tire now, and yeah, I think that's it for this video. Well, no, it might not be the end. I'm gonna drive around to see if the light goes off, and we'll have more content later. Hey guys, so as you can see, the ABS light is gone. I just started moving 0.005 miles. I didn't go anywhere. I just started moving, and the ABS light is gone, but the brake and the traction control are still there. I think that has to be deleted. And then there is this coolant light that just came on. The check engine light too probably just have to be cleared. Once it's cleared, it will go, but I'm gonna need to put cooler in the car because of this. Alright, let's go get some Chick-fil-A. Alright guys, so I have this codes. The brake, the ABS light is gone. Now I have the brake and the traction control and the check engine light. I came over to this shop where my friend works, and he's letting me use their OBD whatever to clear my code. So I'm gonna do that right now, and we'll see what happens. Engine digital motor electronics one. Yeah, we'll see what happens after I finish clearing everything. Alright, so the check engine light is gone. However, these tools still remain. I don't know why they're still there, but I guess that's something to figure out, I guess.